Watch that window. This is an overview of the Dtblasterworks A300 conversion kit for M4 airsoft rifles, and this model is specifically the grand prize for the Galactic Civil War Survivors Endeavor entry raffle. So starting from the front, we have the Kytech sound device and tracer unit system, which is attached to the end of the barrel here, and the electronics are contained in this tight-fitting fake magazine up front. We've got the soundboard, the speaker, 7.4 LiPo goes in here and plugs in with the Tamiya connector, and then the tracer unit connects through here. It should be plenty of battery for all day of play. And the magazine is a nice snug fit in the front and lines up perfectly with a short high cap or mid cap magazine. The base gun is a S&T/Matrix 12-inch barreled M4 with the micro switch gearbox and MOSFET built in, allowing you to use 11.1 LiPo batteries. And it comes with a fully functional and zeroable red dot optic attached to the receiver. Go.